Hello class, sorry this weekend was really tough, but we're going to continue with the lesson, okay? We're going to start from correct all the way to ask, or to ask, or to ask, okay? So uh, the first word is correct, and you take your hand and you just kind of draw excellent, correct, correct, to correct, not your correct. So this is to correct. This is not your correct, which is really your correct. So this is to correct, your correct, to correct, your correct. Okay? We're gonna do another one. Boop, 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 boop. To erase, which means like to erase on the board, you literally take your hand like this and you erase on the board. That's a iconic sign, okay? Iconic sign. So it's to erase on the board. It looks like it. It looks like erasing on the board, okay? The next one we're gonna do is to erase on paper. So I hope you can see me okay. The light doesn't catch the light. Okay. So to erase on paper, you take your hand like this. You take like an X hand, you just erase on paper. Just like that. Just erase on paper, okay? Next one is to hand out. You just take your hands like this. It's kind of low, I'm gonna stand for this, and you hand out, hand out, hand out. You can even hand out with one hand. The concept is the same as to give, okay? The next word, is paper. Paper goes back toward you. Paper. Not clean or nice. Paper. 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 So you're sliding it back towards you. Paper. Paper. Okay? The next one is to see. Oh, I see that. I see that. But to spot, or notice looks like this. Notice. I noticed that. Oh, I noticed that. Or I spot that over there. I see that. Oh, I see you. Okay. The next one is to study. And to study looks like this. To study. So it's like your eyes are concentrating and you're just studying. You're going to really study. So I'm really studying. Okay. So the next one would be student. So it's learn, person. There's also a second sign, which is student, 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 student. Okay? So you could do student or student. Okay? So it's up to you. The next one would be teacher, which is teacher. So you see it's like O's from here. Teacher, teacher, teacher. And that is using your agent marker as a teach person. So teacher. The next one is test or exam. So you draw a question mark and you drop it. Test, exam. Test, exam. So you're just dropping it down. Draw your question marks, drop it down. Test, exam. Okay? The next one is to write. This is iconic again because it looks like writing. So to write, to write. So you're just writing on paper, to write. If you're writing angrily, it's like to write. If you're writing like you're in love, like, I'm gonna write. So you can use your facial expression to express what you feel, okay? The next one is to be wrong or to be in error. So this is wrong or mistake. You can also do wrong. If you're making a lot of mistakes, mistake, 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 wrong, wrong. So wrong or wrong. Mistake, wrong, wrong, wrong. Okay? The next one is to ask. So this is directional. So I'm going to ask you, or I'll ask you, you ask me. I'm asking you, you ask me. Okay? If it is plural, questions. Like, oh, is there any questions? You know, some questions. I'll ask everybody. Some people do like asking everybody or ask everybody, or I have a big question and everybody look at me. So, hey, question. Okay? So there's a lot of different ways to sign that. Okay. Okay. And so we're going to stop there, and I will see you all tonight for ASL class.